Saving a copy of your monitoring file at the end of the season is important for historic record keeping. You can look back at files and track different KPIs season by season. First, make sure you've finished any necessary updates to your monitoring file, then click Save and Close. Click Open to see the cloud window. We recommend creating a new folder to save your monitoring files in. Click on Folder, then New Folder, and type Previous Season Actuals. Click OK. Now right-click on your monitoring file and click Duplicate File. We recommend renaming these files as Actuals followed by the season you're saving. Click OK. This will automatically save to your Scenarios file, but you can drag it down to your previous season actuals. Because the monitoring file is 2 seasons long, we need to drop off a year. Open the actuals file, then click Tools and drop the second year. Confirm by clicking OK. You're now left with just the season needed. You can now drop the first season from your monitoring file and extend the file to the next season.